Hello, this is EGK, and I am going to show you how to go to a horse competition. First, you have to go to the World, and then you have to have the ranch one. So that is Chestnut Ridge, and you have to go into that. And then you have to, this is where you're going to go, is that big building. So you're going to go over to Duke's Hall Park. And then it does take a while to load, of course. And this is also part of the event. It's optional. You do not have to do this one. I do like that they do have some optional stuff in the event, so that way you have a choice to do them. That way if you do have the other packs, you get extra points, which is nice. So I figured, why not? I have the pack, why not do the challenge to get more points. So yeah, I figured I could show you how to do a horse competition, just in case you do have the ranch pack and you don't know how to do a horse competition. It's also a good way to show you how to do that. As soon as it loads. The loading part seems to take forever. Almost there. Okay. So I'm gonna pause it, and then you see this big building right here? This is where you're gonna go. And you can enter competition, spectate competition. That's what we're gonna do, because you also purchase a horse, rescue a horse, and you can do horse training. And you can sell your horse. But we're gonna do that one because that's the one for the challenge. This one's optional. Spectate competition at the center. I don't know how to say that. Equestrian? Okay. So we're gonna do that. And that's all.